Troubleshooting Xbox Live subscription issues.
Hello, fellow gamers. Today we're going to address a common issue many Xbox users face: problems with the Xbox Live subscription not working. We'll guide you through some potential solutions step by step. Remember, you can always pause the video if you need to follow along.
Confirm your Xbox Live subscription status.
Before we dive into troubleshooting, let's first confirm your Xbox Live subscription status. 1. Sign in to your Xbox account. 2. Navigate to the Services and Subscriptions page. 3. Look for the Xbox Live subscription. If it's active, you should see an expiration date in the future. Note, if your subscription has expired, you need to renew it for Xbox Live services to work.
Check Xbox Live service status.
Sometimes the problem is not with your subscription, but the Xbox Live service itself. Microsoft occasionally performs maintenance or experiences server issues. 1. Visit the official Xbox Live service status page. 2. Check if there are any outages or maintenance schedules that might be affecting your access. If there's an outage or maintenance, you'll have to wait until Microsoft resolves the issue.
Verify your home Xbox settings.
Your Xbox Live subscription is tied to your home Xbox. If you've recently changed consoles or the setting isn't configured correctly, it might be the cause. 1. Navigate to Settings, Personalization, My Home Xbox. 2. Verify that the console you're using is set as your home Xbox.
Test your network connection.
Sometimes, your internet connection could be causing the problem. 1. Go to Settings, General, Network Settings. 2. Select Test Network Connection. 3. If there are any problems with your connection, you'll receive an error message with steps to resolve the issue.
Power cycle your console.
The final step is a power cycle, which can resolve a myriad of issues. 1. Press and hold the Xbox button on the front of the console for 10 seconds. 2. Unplug the power cord from the back of the console and wait 10 seconds. 3. Plug the power cord back in and restart the Xbox console. So, there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to troubleshoot issues with your Xbox Live subscription not working. Remember to follow each step carefully and hopefully, you'll be back to gaming in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!